Airbnb's heartfelt response. Read how a bigwig's kind-hearted response to a trashed apartment incident made all the difference for one Airbnb host. In 2011, a woman named EJ had a problem with a guest who booked her apartment with Airbnb and then trashed her place after arriving. She wrote a letter to Airbnb to report the incident and to seek assistance. In her letter, EJ explained how her apartment was damaged by a guest. Feeling blue, she worried about what had happened and hoped Airbnb's customer service could help. A few days later, EJ received an email from Brian Chesky, one of the bigwigs at Airbnb. Brian's email expressed genuine concern for EJ's situation. By providing exceptional customer support, Airbnb built trust with its users. He said he was sorry about what had happened and wanted to help. In his email, Brian promised to fix the damage to EJ's apartment. He also offered to give her some money to help her feel better. EJ was surprised and happy to get such a kind-hearted email. She wrote back to Brian to say thank you. She felt much better knowing that Airbnb cared about her and wanted to help.